What I find is that this link, although it's a fragile link because it's hollow and it's lightweight, you can't put any pendant on it, but I would never recommend putting a pendant on this chain, really, because it's just a budget version of a tennis chain with no stones on it that gives you that shine factor that you're looking for, but it also provides a level of class and comfort. These weigh nothing on your neck. Yes, they can get snatched off your neck super easily. If you do one false move or tug, you can break the chain. Repairing this chain would be near impossible unless it's a lobster clasp. That's super easy, but you can break these at the drop of a hat. But it's a very sexy, super clean, classy setup that has a lot of versatility as opposed to the big chain. Now, when it comes to the 7-8mm Miami Cuban link, I don't consider this a big chain. This is why I tell people that this is my favorite daily wear chain, because tucked in or out, it still provides a little bit of presence. It's not abundantly heavy on the neck, but it's still substantial. On camera, it looks a lot bigger than it is in person. You can put a pendant on it if you want to get a little wild, but you can take it back off to tame it back down. But even so, I can have just as much fun with something like a 2mm rope, diamond cut, as well as a Hermes link that's also 2mm. These are slightly under 2mm, but in the jeweler's eyes, there are gonna be 2mm, so if it's like 1.98, it's a 2mm. So in this small chain combination, still provides a nice little neck profile.